How you doing? Today I'm going to find 10 items here at Harbor Freight that are great gift ideas for RVers or campers. I know I got a couple in mind already. Let me know in the comments what you think of my choices for the top 10, and there are going to be a couple of bonus items, but my top 10 RV or camping gift ideas for 2021. Here we go. Right off the bat, $29.99 for this guy. And this guy with a shelf, $29.99. Those are pretty comfortable. Nice. So that's item number one. Item number two, disposable gloves. They got 7 mil, they got 9 mil, they got 5 mil. So let's see. 100 gloves, $17.99. $16.99 for the 7 mil, the 5 mils or more. Or maybe they were on sale. Either way, I need gloves. But you know, every RVer eventually get to his sewers and his sewer hoses. Excellent. And along the same lines, item number 3, kneeling pad, $6.49. So when you're emptying your black tank, your gray tank, and you want to kneel down, I have one of these. That's item number 3. Item number 4, look at the size of these tent stakes. Pack of 6, $4.99. Pretty good. Item number 6 for $2.99. You could level your RV. $2.99. I think I'm going to take one. All right. Item number 6 for those with RVs that do not have a ladder. 14-foot aluminum telescoping ladder. Holds 250 pounds. Nice. Item number 7 for those who need a little extra step getting into their RV. Step stool working platform. $27.99. This is it right here. That is lightweight. I like it. Item number 9 at Harbor Freight. The world's largest selection of tarps. Look at these sizes. 24 feet by 59. You can get them in green or blue or black. I mean, who doesn't need a tarp? I'm gonna combo a bunch of these. I have this headlamp. It is so good. It is so bright. Where's the try me? You have to trust me on this one. These things are so good. Oh my God. I also have one of these, also very bright. This one's $14.99. This one's $11.99. Wait, there's more lights that I'm going to show you. These are such good gift ideas. Continuing with the light combo, I also have a handful of these for $4.99. Look at that. And they just slide down like that. So compact. They take little batteries, but $4.99, they are fantastic. I also have a couple of these. which are nice because they have magnets. These are $3.99. So just the lighting in general, there's so many good choices. Look at this. And these are so good. I don't have this one. I haven't seen this one, but this is the one that I showed you earlier. Such a good headlamp. It's ridiculous. Also in the lighting category with a bug zapper. $14.99. Let's open one of these up. I got one here. Try to do this with one hand. USB chargeable. Oh, look at this guy. It's got a little light. Medium, bright, off, and then the bug zapper. Wow, I'm gonna get one of these. Even though I have a bug zapper, this would be pretty cool for inside a tent. I like it. Throw that in the lighting category. Why don't we just throw the entire lighting aisle in as one? I mean, look at some of these things. Ooh, can you imagine? Gift item number 10, portable jump pack. $74. I have one of these, and I have had to jump my truck once and had to call Geico roadside service, and it took them an hour to get there. I didn't pay for it, but it took them an hour to get there. And this guy had one of these. Got my truck started in 30 seconds and left. Now I have one of these of my own. What I really like, the air compressor, which I've used, that works. And it also has USB ports, AC charger. I think this is a great product, especially at $74.99. Also an excellent item. I don't know where at number 11, 12. Tubeless tire repair kit for all of $4.99. You know, you get a flat on the road with your travel trailer. This is something that might save your butt. Well, I guess we're in a bonus round. I think I'm on item number 12. Scissor Jacks, $36. I had to replace two of mine that were just completely seized up. And I put these on. It took me about 15 minutes, 20 minutes on each side. And they work like a charm. And I think they're much better made than what came on my trailer. So there's bonus item, number 12. Another bonus item, your 30 amp to 15 amp pigtail power adapter. A whopping $6.99. I use one of these at the house, actually, just to keep my refrigerator plugged in, so I don't have to wait 24 or 48 hours for my refrigerator to get cold. I just leave it plugged into the house. $6.99. What a great gift idea. So that's the trip to Harbor Freight. I only got 2 items. Tiny little level and that neat little bug zapper. Most of the other items I've shown you on this video, I already have and already use. So hopefully you think they're good ideas. Some of them are stocking stuffers. Some of them are not, but I think they're all excellent gift ideas. If you enjoyed this video, show me a little love. Smash that like button. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, go to Harbor Freight and get some gifts, even if your friends aren't campers. So thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.